in future. But yeah, since just with Intellipaat, I got this opportunity. I got 150% hike.
I was able to crack it. I got a growth of approximately 45 to 47 percentage.
First, I have my designation was data analyst only, and later on I promoted as a data research analyst, and now my designation is senior data research analyst. 30 to 50%.
Within like 1 year, I get a salary of hike of more than like 100%. I really appreciate all the help that I have got from the Intellipaat.
Currently, I have transitioned to the new company. So I am working as a C1 India Private Limited, who are doing the consultancy jobs, having a lot of attachment with many vendors in the market.
While doing this Intellipaat course in data science and AI, I got a paid internship at Mo Engage, and I'm getting a good stipend.
When I have took this course, I have learned advanced concepts also, which helped me in a career growth. Like I have got nearly 20 to 30% of hike.
Moved to the data analytics domain, data science domain. I have grabbed a job, and now I'm recently here only, and I'm in the post of senior data analyst in CAVT organizations. So thank you Intellipaat for that.
I am from a non-technical background, but now I am able to build some machine learning models, and they gave me some live projects, and after this I am getting some opportunity based on those projects.
Good percentage out of but out of that I don't learn any skill. I don't know anything. So out of that, that too, a person who hates coding, that person is coding now as an R developer. I don't know how it transformed into that so easily, and so this happened like that. I don't even know how I transformed. So that is something which I always always wonder that how a person like me has changed.
I've got a good job. I mean, it's a better package. Being a fresher, it is very good for me. And like Intellipaat not only gave me a job, it gave me the plan to go for the research side. I wanted to go for research side of data science. So it gave me a path for further doing research.
I was able to, get almost 40 to 50% hike.
6 months ongoing in between the completion of this course, I got a good offer and opportunity with the company called EY, and that is very good in consulting. And I got a senior consultant course with a hike of more than 60%.
So after completing those, just to let you know that within last year I got hiked twice, and the promotion which was pending, that also I got within a couple of months after that.
Already got my profile, I guess we can say uplifted as a junior machine learning engineer. After completing my certification, I got a hike around 60%. The IU certification, right now, another hike is in the pipeline in the next month.
When the course was ongoing, I have changed my company, and the salary, which about the skills of data science, I got literally 100% side, 100% growth in the salary.
I've already got a promotion in the government sector, 40%, a hike in the salary rate. I am really indebted to Intellipaat.
After completing this course, and I have got that confidence and that knowledge, impressed many of our stakeholders like CTO and Director of Engineering. So they gave me an 50% raise as well.